Login loop error on current youth fix. If your current youth account keeps sending you back to the login screen over and over again, you're not alone. This frustrating loop is something many users experience, and most people get it wrong when they try to fix it. The surprising truth is that it's rarely your password or the app itself that's broken. The real culprit is usually cached data stuck on your phone or browser. Let's go through how to fix it step by step. First, fully close the current app, not just minimize it, but actually swipe it away from your recent apps. Then reopen it and try signing in again. Sometimes a quick restart clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't help, it's time to clear your cache. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, find Current and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, simply delete the app and reinstall it. That removes corrupted login data. If you're logging in from a browser, go into your browser settings, open Privacy or History, and clear cookies for the current website. Old cookies can store expired session tokens, which cause the login loop. Next, make sure your app is fully updated. Outdated versions of Current may not work properly with the latest authentication process. Go to the App Store or Google Play and install the newest update. If you're still looping, switch networks. Try logging in using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi or vice versa. Some networks block secure redirects that the app uses during login. Finally, disable any password managers or autofill tools temporarily. These can sometimes re-enter old credentials, tricking the app into restarting the login sequence. Once you've done all that, restart your phone and try signing in again. It should work smoothly this time. So next time your current youth app traps you in a login loop, don't panic, it's not your account. Clear the cache, update your app, and refresh your connection. In just a few minutes, you'll be back to checking balances, tracking spending, and managing money the smart way.